Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Watchlist in GoCharting. To begin, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is the area where you can access the platform's trading tools and charting workspace. If you are new to the layout, take a quick moment to get familiar with the screen before moving on. That will make the next steps much easier to follow. Once you are in the Trading Hub, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This opens the main terminal where you can work with charts, tools, and watch lists. Depending on your browser or internet speed, it may take a few seconds to load, so just wait until the chart interface is fully visible. When the terminal opens, move your attention to the right panel. You will see an arrow there that expands the available tools. Click that arrow and then hover through the tools until you locate the Watchlist option. When you find it, click on it to open the Watchlist area. This section is useful because it lets you organize the symbols you want to track in one convenient place. After the Watchlist panel is open, click on the default watchlist. This will reveal the option to create a new watchlist. Select Create New Watchlist to start setting up your own custom list. This is helpful if you want to separate symbols by strategy, market, or personal preference. Next, type the name for your new watchlist. Choose a name that will be easy for you to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one list. After entering the name, click Create. At this point, your new watchlist will be added and ready to use. Now go to the Add Symbol field. In this box, type any symbol you want to include in your watchlist. As you enter the symbol, the platform may show matching results, making it easier to select the correct one. Add the symbols you want to monitor, and once they appear in the list, your watchlist setup is complete. That's all there is to it. You have successfully created a watchlist in GoCharting. If you want to stay organized, it can be a good idea to keep your lists focused and clearly named so you can quickly find the assets you need during analysis or trading.